In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Common Ninja's all-in-one reviews widget into your Squarespace website. This process will enhance your site's functionality by allowing you to display reviews from multiple platforms in one place, providing a comprehensive view for your visitors. Let's get started. First, head over to Common Ninja's Premium Widgets Plus section, which can be accessed directly via their website. This platform offers a variety of widgets designed to enhance your website's interactivity and performance. Once you're there, look for the Widgets Plus tab and click on it to explore the widgets available. Next, in the search bar, type in Reviews. The search results will display a range of review widgets. From these, choose the All-in-One Reviews widget, which is particularly useful for showcasing various reviews in a neat and organized manner. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see the option to create an all-in-one reviews widget. By clicking on this, you initiate the setup process. After the creation, it's important to publish the widget to make it ready for use. Hit the Publish button to do so. After publishing, the next step is to save your widget. Click on Save Widget, ensuring that your work is secured and stored properly. You'll also be prompted to choose a folder where you'd like this widget to be saved. Select an appropriate folder for easy access and organization. Once you've selected the folder, confirm your changes by clicking on Save Changes. This action ensures that all your configurations and customizations are kept intact, ready for the next stage. Now, it's time to integrate this widget into your Squarespace site. Start by clicking on Copy Code to retrieve the widget's embed code. This code is essential for embedding the widget into your website seamlessly. Jump over to your Squarespace account and navigate to your site's Pages section. Here, you'll find the option to Add Block, which allows you to introduce new elements to your page. Click on this, and in the options that appear, choose Embed. This selection facilitates the integration of external codes and widgets into your Squarespace site. Next, click on Edit under the block settings. This mode allows you to paste the code. Select Code Snippet from the options to open the input field for your embed code. Then, click on Embed Data and paste the copied embed code from Common Ninja into the field provided. Finally, once the code is pasted and you're satisfied everything is in place, click on Save. This action ensures your widget is live and functional on your Squarespace site, offering viewers a consolidated view of reviews sourced from various platforms. By following these steps, you've enhanced your website's capability, allowing you to present a holistic and professional review section effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.